Hey, Coach Greg here with Sculpt Training, and we have a lean and strong workout for you. This is gonna be fun, completely standing. Let's get to it. We have some marches and arm swings. We got 30 seconds for each exercise, so we go in 3, 2, 1, let's get it. I'm just gonna focus on marching in place and swing those arms. This is gonna be a great full body, not only warm up, but stretching. Keep your core tight, my back is flat. Sucking my belly button to my spine. A lot of coordination here, but there's really no rhyme or reason. You can go faster with your marches, you can go slower, you can go all around with your arm swings. We're just trying to get the blood moving. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we have some side to side squats. This is gonna be focusing more on pacing rather than depth, and I'll show you what I mean. But we got 30 seconds, here we go. We're focusing on stepping to the side, squat, step, squat, just like this. As you can see, I'm not trying to go all the way down. I'm focusing just more on, I guess the speed in which I do it. Boom. My feet are shoulder width apart. Getting to at least parallel to the ground, 90 degrees. But again, you can do a half squat like this, boom, and then you really turn up the intensity, or you can focus on depth, taking your time with each one. Let's do one more here. Down, great job, moving along. We have a cross body knee drive. We're gonna focus on our left side, 30 seconds. Then we'll switch to our right side for another 30 seconds. I know, sounds a lot, but this is one of my favorite exercises right here. Looks like a dance move, kind of fun. Here we go. Focus on, bring your right arm up as if you're a superhero. Left hand on your hip. We're focusing on palm is facing forward. We're bringing our elbow in, palm faces us. As we do that, we're bringing our left knee up to meet it, driving it across the body like that. So we go, 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom. I kind of like point my foot out. Like I said, it becomes one of those dance moves. There it is. Kind of bend the knee that is supporting you, just so that you have a little more balance. You can take your time with it. You don't have to go super fast. Get yourself steady. Really be intentional about the movement. Crunch over. There it is. 3, 2, 1. And down, great job. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing on our other leg. Come on, we gotta have balance, baby. Gotta do both sides. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Boom. This position just helps you open up your full body. You're crunching over. This works your arms, your legs, and especially your core. Make sure you're breathing, because I'm forgetting that, and I'm like, wait, I'm about to pass out, because you're not breathing. There it is. Drive that knee. 3, 2, 1, and down. Last, we have heel raises to shoulder press. I know that sounds super complicated, don't worry. This is just an exercise that's gonna help you engage your full body and understand, just like body mechanics. But we're focusing from the ground up. It's essentially like a calf raise, so we're focusing. I'm in this position here, I'm ready. We are pushing off the ground into a heel raise, and that's translating into a final position of a shoulder press. So all we're doing is we're right here, boom. Just like this. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. This is a great exercise because, again, like I said, it engages the full body, but it kind of shows you how you can draw power and energy from the ground up. You don't even need weights, but this is the type of thing where if you're doing like a shoulder press or a barbell, dumbbells, that kind of stuff, instead of just standing here, you're engaging your full body, your core, your legs, and also getting nice calves in the process. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. That is your first set done and dusted. We have 2 more to go. Grab some art if you need to, but if not, we are jumping in. Marches and arm swings. 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Side to side squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross-body knee drive, left leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross-body knee drive right, 3, 2, 1, go. Heel raise with shoulder press, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, second set done, one more to go. I know you're tired, I am too, but let's finish strong with this last set. Let's push ourselves, here we go.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Side to side squats, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross-body knee drive, left leg, 3, 2, 1, go. Cross-body knee drive right, 3, 2, 1, go. Heel raise with shoulder press, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That is how you get lean and strong. I can definitely use some water. Hopefully you've been drinking some. If that was too easy for you, go ahead, play the video again. Why not? And keep doing it until you're tired. Or if not, if you want more variety, we have plenty of other workouts and exercises on our YouTube channel. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping from Coach Mayor, Coach Gabby, and Coach Greg. That is me, but I will see you in the next video, my friend. Stay strong. Peace. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.